Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to design this beautiful ring. It's an easy one to design. We're going to use simple tools. We're going to use sweeping wizard, advanced pavé, belts, profiles, stones and prongs. Very easy. So let's dive in. So for this ring, we're going to have a size 6.5 and top plane, it's going to be 5.5. We'll click OK. And on the top plane, we're going to do a cushion stone 10 by 10. Let's uncheck this 10 by 10 cushion. We'll click OK. We're going to get the stone and you're going to get belts. We're going to go to the last tab and uncheck bottom belt because I don't want the bottom. I want just the top. Let's go back to top and I'm going to make 0.9 millimeters. And let's bring this down around there. I think it's good. And I want this to be white, 14. Click OK. Very good. Now we're going to make the shank. Click on this tab. We're going to do open curve. And we're going to trace the shape of the outer shank. Let's fix the points. Around there. I want this to come in to be more delicate. Very good. And since you are here, let's make shank profile. I want to make something like squarish on the top. I think that's good. All right, now we're going to get the profile. We're going to get the sweeping wizard, create one single surface, and we're going to get this profile little hand, click the profile, and I want those profiles to be vertical plane symmetric. So we're going to make this top profile, we're going to do 1.8. Let's uncheck here, and you're going to do 1.8 by 1.2. And it's in both sides. Now we're going to make another section. We're going to bring to the bottom. And for the bottom, I want a little more strong. So we're going to make 2.3 by 1.6. And I'm going to add one more around half here. And you're going to click OK. So it's good. I'm going to bring just a little bit this part inside because I don't want this part here showing. So let's bring this inside a little. Recompute. Good. All right, let's get out of here. And now we're going to make the prong. For the prong, I want to get on sketch one line that is 45 degrees. So I will have clear visual where the prong is going to start. Okay, so we're going to get this plane and you're going to go in sketch mode and I'm going to get the curve and I'm going to start tracing the curve. Where this line here and the stone meet that corner is the 45 degrees, okay? So we're gonna start tracing. I want a closer points because we're going to move the points, so I want them closer, it's easier. Now, let's adjust this curve. And over here, of course, you can do the curve as you like, but it's important that comes up to the finger because we're not to do anything underneath. So this has to close the finger size, okay? Around there. Around there is good. And since I'm here, I'm gonna make a circle for our prong. Center, does not matter the size. You click OK. Now I'm gonna get this prong, this curve, and I am going to bring out around here because I want this the prong tucking in to the shank. So we're gonna do around here. We click OK. Click on this tab here to enable drag, and you're going to start moving the points. Guys, sorry if this part is tedious for you, but it's necessary so you can get a nice shape. If you don't like to see this moving nodes, please forward your video, but I must do that. All right, around there. It's nice. Okay, let's click OK, get out of here. Now we're gonna get the sweep wizard, the curve, sweeping wizard, and we're gonna create one single surface. Gonna click over here and with the little hand get the round shape that we made for the stone. Let's move this out and probably need to bring inside a little bit. Let me first give the size. I want this to be 1.3 millimeters. And let's bring in a little. About there is good. And we're gonna get another one, another section, and bring about here. And we're going to bring inside a little. This section, I'm gonna do 1.2. And one more we're gonna do here, and I'm going to bring inside. Let me give the size first, 0.9. And we're gonna bring inside. Let's check. I think that's enough, but if it's not, we're going to change. Let's run and see what you can get. Okay, let's move this a little bit up. Let's check the eye even more. There. I think that's enough. All right, so now let me bring this just to see. Yes, I like that. So now we're gonna go to this sketch again, and you're gonna get this curve, this plane, and you're gonna do a mirror. Now on where the points, the curves, they meet each other, we're gonna get one inside a little bit and another one outside a little bit around here. Now let's run the wizard here so we'll see if our moves here are good. You click OK, you click the hand. For this one, we're gonna have 1.3. Let's bring in a little, about there. It's the same of the other one. You're gonna do another section around here, the same we did before. Let me keep ratio 1.2. And let's bring up a little bit right there. And one more that's gonna be all the way to the end. Let me freeze this. And for this one, I'm gonna do 0.9. And I think is in the right position, about the same as the other side. Let's run and see what we get. This one is wrong. We need to bring in up a little. Let's see. This one up a little. That's good. Click OK. And yeah, I think it's good. I like it. I like it. So we're gonna bring the shank. Both sides are tucked in. I'm going to bring both this this profile. I'm gonna bring both a little bit inside, around there. And this one around there. Better. Now for both, we're going to do the bulge over here, just a little bit, nothing much. 0.5 is enough, 0.5, and the same for this one, 0.5. Very good. Let's hide this. We don't need any more. Now we're gonna get this one and this one, control down, and you're gonna make a mirror through this plane. But mirror this way, you're gonna have both coming here and here. I don't want this. I want this to be a mirror through this plane. Now we're gonna come over here and hide the previous mirror. Now you see this one goes that way and this one comes this way. So it's very nice. That's good. Now the top is done. Let's add stones. I'm gonna click the shank. We're gonna go to Pavé and we're going to do symmetry on both planes. This plane here and this plane here. We're gonna start with stones. Since our shank is 1.8, let's start with 1.6 and see if it's gonna be okay. A little smaller, 1.5. I think that's good. 1.5. Get one more there. I think we are about to do 1.6 now. 1.6. And that's good. 1.7. Okay, 1.8. Let's do 3/4 shank for this one. 1.9. And that's good. 1.9. Very nice. Now let me hide those. And I'm gonna make a stone 1.5 and you're gonna bring up 0.50 millimeters. Just a little bit. Gonna get the pavé and you're gonna do this tab here, jeweling. And you're gonna duplicate the stone that we just made. Click OK. Very nice. Now we're going to make, let's do the jeweling, I'm sorry, the pavé first for the prongs and then we make the prongs. Pavé, I'm gonna make small prongs, 0.6, and we also going to do the mirror on plane, this plane and this plane, 0.6, and you're gonna start adding the prongs. Little prong there. On these stones, guys, you can even bring a little closer. I'm not gonna do it, but if I was designing for someone, I'll bring slightly closer, okay? Would be better. And last one. We'll click OK. We're having both sides. Now we're gonna make the prong. Gonna do round 1.2, center it 0.6, and you're gonna bring minus 0.4. And you click OK. We're gonna click the pavé we just made, jeweling tab, and you're gonna duplicate this prong we just made, and we can bring probably a little. Let me keep the original, and let's bring this slightly down. Let's do 0.5, minus 0.5. Very nice. Very good. We can hide this now. Oh, I'm sorry. We can hide the pavé. There we go. And you can hide the prong. Now we can do the cutters. I'm not going to drill through this one. I'm just going to make the pilot. Click OK. We click the shank, the cutters, go to the tab of Boolean and we do Boolean out. And we have the pilot there. Okay. Let's hide everything else so we can enjoy our beautiful work. So see guys, it's a beautiful ring, not hard to make, and fast, very elegant, very nice, and it's a well-loved style of ring. So yes guys, that's all for us today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any question, please let me know. If you have any comment, if you are struggling with some tool that you want to understand better, please leave a comment and I'll try my best to help you with your question, okay? And if you were until the end with me, thank you very much for being here, and I hope to see you back soon. Keep designing. Bye, guys.